Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Stellar XLM. So before starting this video, please I request you to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's see the live price prediction of XLM Stellar cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction, friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button now for more this kind of videos. You are watching now the live price prediction of Stellar XLM. As you can see now, oh my god, it's very bad news for XLM Stellar users. As you can see now, here are the negative change 0.52% going down, as you can see here, and the high change is about $0.402 is the high change of XLM Stellar. You are watching now the live price prediction of 24 March 2021, and that is the live price prediction of XLM Stellar of last 1 hour. You are watching now. So again I'm showing you the live price prediction of XLM Stellar. As you can see now, at this period XLM are going up. As you can see here, at this time is the high price of XLM at this time is a 0.402 is the high price at this time, and after this time the again fall is start. As you can see here, the falls of XLM starts is this period. You can see here, after that again they moves upward. As you can see here, again at this time they are going up at this moment. So that is the live price prediction of last hour 1 hour. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching.